welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm supposed to be getting ready for a fashion show. I have all this red. I'm making a all red collection, but before I get into that, I wanted to come on here and make my very own Skim inspired outfit. And if you guys don't know what that is Kim K's newest collection. I think it's called Skims. Yes. That is Kim K's newest sleepwear collection. Is it a sleepwear collection? I don't know. I got these two fleece, hold on, from Walmart, and they were $8.99 a piece. So I'm going to make this inspired outfit for under $20. Are you guys ready? Let's go. All right, so each of these are 1.5 yards. I think I'm gonna use the shorts version because I don't know if I have enough to make the pants, so I'm gonna make the shorts version. All right, so I'm using my very own bodice pattern that I made, and also these pants pattern that I made to make the palazzo pants. I think I'll post that video a while back. But anyway, you can use like any shirt, top, or whatever and cut it into the pattern that you desire. I think I'm just gonna freehand it.
One eternity later.
So I finally finished my Skims, my Kim K inspired cozy comfy loungewear. Can I have my phone, please? I've been like so super sick. So much has happened, but anyway, let me show you guys. Ooh, made the shorts version, and I made my robes super long. This is why he was chasing me. Okay.
I didn't get that.
Now, Kim K got nothing on me. You have more chasing. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on your post notification. It's a little congested, so that you are officially a part of your girl.